The jungle economy is booming, and every monkey is chasing riches. But our hero Charlie is just an ordinary banana worker. Every morning it's the same thing. Pick bananas, count bananas, eat bananas. Charlie is bored. If this goes on, I'll spend my whole life collecting banana peels, he says. One day, he sees a shiny sign in the forest. Make money with Pinterest. Charlie is confused. Pinterest? Who's that? A new banana brand? No. Pinterest is like a visual search forest for monkeys. Unlike other social jungles, the bananas here don't rot in one day. They grow over time. That means long-term profit. And this is actually a huge opportunity. Charlie realizes, so the long-term bananas grow here. Charlie investigates many monkeys explain that they earn money by sharing banana links, affiliate links, on Pinterest. They all say the same thing. Create an image, add a title, share your pin, and the bananas come. Charlie smiles. If it's that easy, why isn't every monkey rich? An old Japanese macaque once told him, the most expensive banana is the one that looks free. Charlie understands, so it's not about copy-paste. You must create your own banana. The future belongs not to coding monkeys, but to monkeys who create products. Charlie says, it's time to stop picking bananas and start building a banana brand. So how? Charlie first plans his own Pinterest jungle. He must choose what kind of bananas he will focus on: recipes, decoration, or technology. Then he says, my banana will be providing free tools and resources for people who want to make money online. Charlie climbs a free blogspot tree and builds his own blog, Charlie's Digital Banana Shop. He fills the blog with content, such as copyright-free background music for YouTube videos. Charlie uploads the file to Jungle Drive, then creates a link, but not directly. He first runs the link through a banana shortener. With every click, he earns a few leaves, meaning money. Then Charlie thinks, I'm earning only from clicks. Why not earn from every monkey who visits the blog? So he registers his blog on an ad platform. Now every visit, every click brings him a small banana. Slowly, Charlie's banana pile begins to grow. The final missing piece: traffic. Charlie returns to Pinterest. He creates amazing pin images for each of his posts. Titles are eye-catching, descriptions clear over time. Every monkey in the jungle starts seeing Charlie's pins. And one morning, Charlie wakes up, checks his accounts. The bananas are growing steadily. He is no longer just a worker in the jungle. He has become a banana entrepreneur. This is how passive income grows in the Pinterest jungle. Charlie worked hard at first, but eventually he earns bananas even while he sleeps. Wouldn't you like to learn this method that nobody talks about, or that those who know don't want to reveal, just like Charlie? In the video description, you'll find both the link shortener and the ad platforms. Build your blog, join the platforms, and set up your own system to start earning. You can create any trending niche you want. This video's topic is just an example. Be quick. Competition on Pinterest grows every day. Join the platforms through the link and build your own digital banana jungle, because without realizing it, the competition is rising, and in the jungle, the monkey who wakes up early always gets the first banana.